In the classic milling operations, 3D processing, such as plane layered drive, added the ability to calculate the toolpath, taking into account the tool holder. It is possible to control collisions of the holder with both the part and the workpiece. An additional axial and radial clearance can be specified. If the tool holder is closer to the workpiece at the distance of less, those sections of the path will be removed from the operation. Here we see it. Now, there are only areas with no collisions between the tool holder and the workpiece. For the work of this feature, the holder must be specified. You can set in the parameters inspector here or choose from a list of ready ones. The option simplifies part processing from several sites. It is perfect for milling sculptures and stadias. Thank you for your attention.